Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to find the nearby ATMs, restaurants, petrol pumps, etc. in Google Maps. So to do that, at first you have to choose the Google Maps. Then below the search option, you will find different cards like ATMs, petrols, restaurants, airports, hotels, etc. Now if you want to know the nearby ATMs, you have to simply choose the ATM card. Now it is showing all the nearby ATMs from my location like State Bank of India ATM, State Bank of India ATM, United Bank ATM. In the below cards it also showing me the address of that ATM, and you can also share the address using the share option in the upper right corner. Now if you want to call the bank, you can also call using the call option, and if you want to know the direction, then you have to simply tap on the direction. Now after that you have to choose your starting point, that is from where you want to go that ATM. Now if you choose home, then it will simply show you the direction of this ATM from your home location. From below the starting point, end point, you can also choose your mode, like you can go using your car or two-wheelers or train or bus or simply by walking. Now if you want to change the address of the starting point, you simply have to write down your address. So now it's showing the direction of the ATM from the given location, that is 192 by A Netaji Subhash Road, and here it's also showing how many hours it will take and the distance from my starting location and the end location. Now to know the nearby petrol pumps, you simply have to click on the petrol tab. Now it's showing all the nearby petrol pumps from my location like Bharat Petroleum, HP Petroleum pump. Now it's also showing the address, and you can also share the address using the upper right corner share tab. Now to get the location, you simply have to click on the direction tab, and again you have to choose your starting of point. If you want to go from your home, please choose your home address. Now it is showing the direction of the HP petrol pump from my home location, and if you want to change the location, that is starting point, so now it's showing the updated direction from 102 Karoya Road. Now if you want to know the nearby restaurants, you simply have to click on the restaurant tab. It is showing all the nearby restaurants. You can also using filters, like you can also use filters like what are the restaurants nearby are open till now, or what are the offers going on there, or whether you want to book a dine out or not. If you want to know the top rated restaurants nearby you, then you simply have to choose the top rated option. So currently it's not showing anything. Now it's showing all the nearby restaurants from my location. So here you will find the, like if I choose this restaurant, that is Kasturi, so it's showing the ratings, like what type of cuisine it offers, like it opens and close timings, and what are the things it offers like dine in, takeaway, and no contact delivery. You can also see the pictures of these restaurants from these pictures, and you can also see the menu from this menu tab. So it's showing the menu of the Kasturi restaurant, and if you want to reserve a table, then simply you have to choose this reserve a table option. So hope you have find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't feel free to comment. Thank you.